we're going to the final steps of building a spiral staircase. I'm going to mount the platform on. As you see, I've laid it down, touched things up, and got ready. It's a little hard to mount this up on the platform and hold it up and get it right. So this makes things a lot easier. We just set it down on the ground and then we can just use measurements. So what you want to do is use some 1/4-inch self-tappers, tapping screws, and mount this on there at the proper height. Again, I've got the lines where the last step goes, and this is how we line it up with the lines that are on the spiral, on the pole. Okay, on this platform, the reason I screw it on is because it makes it rather awkward for the powder coaters to move this around and paint it. As it's fairly easy and symmetrical, it works pretty good without it on. But so we take it off and powder coat it separately so that you get a good powder coating under all the surfaces and you don't have any spots that will rust. Rusting is an important factor. You want to make sure that if you do this, you have a competent welder welding this up and make sure that they do a good job, and make sure it's strong and lasts a long time. This is a great item, the spiral, and people like to come and look at these just because they're unique, and it's a great conversation piece besides being very practical.